Hello and welcome to Great Fun with Great Circles and GeoGebra, the antipode. First, some definitions. A great circle is a circle on the surface of a sphere, and the center of that circle is the same as the center of the sphere. A simple definition of antipode is for any point on the surface of the sphere, the antipode for that point is the point that is on the opposite side of the sphere. So let's go over to GeoGebra in GeoGebra Classic 3D Graphics. After a little formatting, let's get going. We're going to start with the center, and then we're going to draw a sphere which has that center and a radius of 3. So once we've done that, we will get our sphere. And then once we've drawn our sphere, we're going to go to points and choose a point on an object. So I'm going to rename that point to any so that it's any point. Next, we're going to draw a line that passes between the center and the point we've called any. That gives us a line. Then we're going to go back to points and take the intersection. We'll take the intersection of the circle, of the sphere and the line that we just drew, and that will give us the antipode as well as one other point, which we will ignore. Now we have our 2 points, our any point and our antipode. Then we're just going to pick any other point by using the point function. Now in GeoGebra, you can draw a circle using any 3 points right there. And so when we do, there's our circle. And when you do a point on an object, you can move that point around. So here we can move the point any around, which moves the antipode, and then those combinations give us many different great circles. I hope that's useful to you. See you next time.